Our topic is coordinate geometry. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, point P, and this is point Q. Suppose coordinates of P are x1, y1, and coordinates of P are x1, y1, coordinates of Q are x2, y2. We have to find distance between P and Q. So we find distance between P and Q by using distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance formula equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Difference of abscissa, difference of ordinate or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So we have 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. We have 2 points x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Distance between P and Q is given by using square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square or square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. How can prove it? ये किस तरह से फार्मूला आया वो देखिए. ये पॉइंट P है, we draw a perpendicular. इससे इसको हमने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर दिया. सपोज दिस इज ए, तो और दिस इज ओरिजिन x1. व्हाट इज OA? OA इज x1. वी ड्रॉ अनदर परपेंडिकुलर QB. दिस इज x2. OA is x1, OB is x2. तो what is AB? AB कितना हो गया हमारा? AB is x2 minus x1. AB equal to OB. What is AB? AB is OB minus OA. So x2 minus x1. This is AB. We draw a line passing through P parallel to AB. P से AB के पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी हमने C. PC. This is PC. तो this is equal to PC. OA is x1, OB is x2, x2 minus x1 is AB और AB equal to PC. तो AB equal to PC. अब यहाँ देखिए पॉइंट P में PA. PA is y1. PA is y1. CB is parallel to PA. So CB is also y1. इसी तरह से Q x2 y2. तो QB, distance QB is y2. तो what is QC? What is QC? What is QC? QC is QB minus CB. QB minus QC. Sorry, CB. QB, what is QB? QB is y2. What is CB? CB is y1. Now come in the right triangle. In right triangle QCP, applying Pythagoras theorem, we get in right triangle QCP applying Pythagoras theorem, we get PQ square equal to PC square plus QC square. What is PC? PC is x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 whole square. What is QC? QC is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 whole square. फिर से समझ लो. This is point P. This is point P. So OA is x1, PA is y1. This is point Q. So OB is x2 or QB is y2. AB equal to x2 minus x1. AB is x2 minus x1. So PC equal to AB. इसी तरह से यहाँ ये QB is y2, CB is y1. So QC is y2 minus y1. Applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we get in right triangle QCP, applying Pythagoras theorem, we get PQ square equal to PC square plus QC square. Taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. स्क्वायर रूट लिया तो PQ इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर. PQ इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर. तो ये था आपका डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. What is distance formula? Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square और x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. और ये हमने क्या किया? ये हमने इस फार्मूले का प्रूफ किया कि किस तरह से फार्मूला हमारा ड्राइव होगा.